Welcome to Silent Stories, where we inspire, motivate, and guide you on life's most exciting journeys. Today, we're diving into an exhilarating topic, a beginner's guide to running a half marathon. If you've ever dreamed of crossing that finish line, feeling accomplished and unstoppable, this is the video for you. Running a half marathon, or 13.1 miles, 21.1 kilometers, is a challenging yet achievable goal for anyone willing to put in the effort. Let's break it down step by step and make sure you're ready to conquer this milestone. First, why run a half marathon? It's more than just a race. It's a journey of self-discipline, resilience, and growth. Over 2 million people complete half marathons worldwide each year, proving it's a goal within reach. It burns calories, improves cardiovascular health, and can even reduce stress by up to 60% according to research. Plus, it's a great way to build a strong community with fellow runners. But how do you get started? Step 1. Set a realistic goal. The first step is committing to a realistic timeline. For beginners, a 12-week training plan is ideal. This gives your body enough time to adapt while avoiding injury. Write your goal down. Maybe it's to finish the race in under 2 hours and 30 minutes, or perhaps it's just to cross the finish line. Both are worth celebrating. Step 2. Invest in the right gear. Good running shoes are a must. Visit a store that offers gait analysis to find the right fit. On average, a good pair of running shoes costs between $100 and $150, but it's an investment in your health and safety. Don't forget moisture-wicking clothing and accessories like a water bottle belt. Step 3. Build your training plan. Divide your training into 3 phases. Base building, weeks 1-4, focus on shorter runs, 3-5 miles, 3 times a week. Strength building, weeks 5-8, incorporate longer runs of up to 8 miles and cross-training activities like cycling or swimming to improve endurance. Peak training, weeks 9-12, gradually increase your long run distance to 10-11 miles while tapering off intensity during the final week to let your body recover. Your weekly mileage should increase by no more than 10% to prevent overtraining. Step 4. Listen to your body. Rest days are non-negotiable. Aim for at least 1-2 rest days per week to allow your muscles to recover and rebuild. If you experience pain or discomfort, don't push through it. Research shows that ignoring early signs of injury increases recovery time by up to 40%. Step 5. Nutrition matters. Fuel your body with the right nutrients. Carbohydrates should make up about 60–70% of your diet during training to provide energy. Hydrate well. Drink at least 8–10 cups of water daily, and more on training days. Step 6. Practice race day strategies. Run a practice race 2–3 weeks before your half marathon to simulate the experience. Stick to your planned pace, nutrition, and hydration. Learn to pace yourself. Many beginners start too fast and tire out early. A steady pace increases your chances of finishing strong. Step 7. Mental preparation. Training your mind is just as important as training your body. Studies show that positive self-talk can improve athletic performance by up to 10%. Visualize yourself crossing the finish line and celebrate small milestones along the way. Step 8. The big day. The night before, lay out all your gear and fuel. Sleep for at least 7–8 hours to feel rested. On race day, arrive early to warm up and soak in the atmosphere. Start slow, stick to your pace, and enjoy every moment of the experience. What happens after the race? Crossing the finish line is an unforgettable feeling. Take time to recover, hydrate, and reflect on what you've achieved. Over 75% of runners who complete their first half marathon go on to run another, proving how addictive and rewarding the experience can be. Final thoughts. Running a half marathon is not just about physical endurance. It's a journey that strengthens your mind and spirit. Whether you're running for fitness, fun, or personal achievement, remember that every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Thank you for watching this guide on running your first half marathon with Silent Stories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. See you at the finish line.